What is Excel and why learn it? All right, first question. What actually is Excel? Excel is a spreadsheet program created by Microsoft. Think of it as a digital grid where you can organize, calculate, and analyze data. You can use it for almost anything: tracking expenses, creating schedules, analyzing sales data, making charts, or even planning a wedding. It's the Swiss Army knife of data. Now, why should you learn it? 3 big reasons. First, it's everywhere. If you work in an office, run a business, or manage any kind of data, you'll probably encounter Excel. Second, it saves you time. Instead of doing calculations by hand or managing lists on paper, Excel does the heavy lifting for you automatically. And third, it's a valuable skill. Employers love seeing Excel on your resume because it shows you can handle data and solve problems efficiently. Excel isn't just a single program. It's a family of applications available on desktop, web, and mobile. Together, they let you store, organize, calculate, and visualize information in countless ways. And while there are newer competitors on the block, Excel's deep integration with the Microsoft ecosystem and its massive existing user base mean it remains a dominant force in the business world. So whether you're organizing your personal life or building a career, Excel is absolutely worth learning. The modern Excel landscape. Which version is right for you? Now, this is where things can get a bit confusing for newcomers. If you want to start using Excel today, you have 3 main options, each with its own pros and cons. Let's break them down. First up, we have Excel for the web. As the name suggests, this version runs right in your web browser, and the best part, it's completely free with a Microsoft account. This is an amazing way to get started and handle basic spreadsheet tasks. The catch is that it's a more lightweight version. It has limited features, can struggle with very large data sets, and doesn't include the advanced data analysis tools like Power Query or support for VBA macros. Next, we have the most popular and powerful version, Excel for Microsoft 365. This is the subscription version, which you can pay for monthly or annually. The massive advantage here is that you are always up to date. You get a constant stream of new features, cutting-edge AI tools like Copilot, robust collaboration options, and the full power of Excel's advanced toolset. You also get access to the desktop app, the web version, and mobile apps, all synced together with cloud storage. Finally, there's the standalone version, currently Excel 2024. You buy this with a one-time payment, and you own that version forever. This is great if you dislike subscriptions and need the core desktop application. The downside is significant, though. While it's up to date at the time of purchase, it will not receive any new feature updates in the future. You get security updates, but you'll miss out on all the innovation Microsoft is constantly adding to the 365 version. So which one should you choose? If you're a casual user or just need the basics for free, Excel for the web is perfect. If you're a professional, a student, or anyone serious about building data skills, Microsoft 365 is the undeniable best choice for staying current. If you're on a tight budget and absolutely need a desktop app without a subscription, Excel 2024 is a solid but static option. Now that you understand the landscape, it's time to dive in.